W-Coin NFT Voucher is live, and the major issue people are facing now is that you are not eligible. Welcome to Tech World. If this is your first time coming across my channel or you are yet to subscribe, click the subscription button and I know you will love it. W-Coin Voucher is live. W-Coin NFT Voucher is live, and we are having eligibility issue. Many people are facing a major issue. Many people are facing eligibility issues. Major issue of 3 active mint. 3 active mint. You can see through my own now. You can see mine now. We have the rest one. Apart from doing a transaction with 0.1 ton, I'm having an issue of 3 active mint, and which W-Coins have make a public announcement in their official telegrams. In their official telegram, see W-Coins NFT pre-market update. Mint, we have spotted an issue with active mint requirement. Some user sees an incorrect status. We are fixing it as soon as possible. Thanks for your patience. Reminder, this NFT pre-market is a side event with its own rules. The main airdrop will have different requirements. So if you are finding it difficult, they've made a public announcement about it. Maybe yours is only this 3 active mint. Don't panic. There's a solution to it. They are fixing it. Their technical group is working on it. So very soon the issue will be solved.